Welcome to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, a WordPress developer and Shopify expert. If you are looking to create a stunning website with WordPress and you are using Namecheap shared hosting, you are at the right place. In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through the entire process step by step, making it easier for you. You can follow along the video to install WordPress on your Namecheap shared hosting. I know it can be difficult for you to set up your first website, but don't worry, by the end of the video you will have your WordPress running up on your Namecheap hosting. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First of all, you will have to log into your Namecheap account. So here you can see I have logged in mine, and now here you can scroll down and here you will see all of your domains. So if you want to get a domain and you don't have that, or you want to get a hosting, then you can just go to kashifmehmood.com. This is my website, and here you can go to deals, and here you can see I have recommended some web hostings. So these are the budgeted hosting for small businesses and individual. I personally use Namecheap as well. You can get a discount by just clicking on this link. You will see a tutorial on how you can find coupon codes for Namecheap, and you can buy it using this link, and then you can apply your coupon codes and you will get a huge discount on Namecheap web hosting. So let's come back to the video. So here when you will go to the hosting list, you will see your web hosting plans that you have purchased. So this is the one that we are going to use in this video. If you are facing difficulty in adding your domain to your hosting, then you can just scroll and you will see this button, go to live chat, and you can click on this live chat button and you can tell Namecheap support to add your domain in the hosting or link it with your hosting, and they will do that for free for you. If you want to use multiple domain with your hosting, then you can go to cPanel and you can also add your second or third domain, whichever it is. So here this is my primary domain and that's where I want to install WordPress. So let me just click on cPanel. So we can go to cPanel and install WordPress in our Namecheap shared hosting. And here you will have to search for WordPress. And here you can click on this WordPress manager by Softacolors, and here you need to click on install. Here you can select your domain from the drop down. So if you have multiple domain, then you can select the domain on which you want to install WordPress, and here you can use the protocol. So if you are selecting this one, then you need to make sure that you have an SSL certificate in your hosting, and if you don't have that, you can just go to YouTube and you can go to my channel, and there you can search for SSL, or maybe you can just search on YouTube search bar SSL installation KM Webverse, and when you will search it, and then you will see my video. Here you can see free SSL certificate for cPanel web hosting. You can watch this video, or you can also purchase SSL or install SSL with the help of Namecheap live support. So here we can scroll down. Here you need to enter your WordPress admin username, and then you have to enter your admin password, and here you have to add the admin email. So let me fill all of the information and then come back to the video. So I have entered the information. So now let's scroll down. And here you can just deselect all of these because we can install the plugins manually and we don't need to add any plugin from here. You can also uncheck this one, and here go to advanced option. Here you have the database information. If you are an expert only, then you should change this because this can cause problems otherwise. So we can keep the recommended settings over here, and here you can select any theme, but we can install that after installing WordPress. So we can just skip that as well. And here you can enter the email on which you want the login details to be sent. If you want to add any, like for your client or anyone, then you can add that. Otherwise you can also skip it, and you can click on install button. So here you can see the WordPress is installing, and it can be installed within like 10 to 15 seconds. So we need to wait a little bit. And here you can see it is installed. So now let's click on this link. So here you can see we have WordPress installed and connection is secure, which means our SSL certificate is working fine. So if you see any problem on your end, you can install it by watching my video, or you can contact the Namecheap live support. You can also comment on the video and I will help you, and you can always contact me if you have any problem. So like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.